Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 2024 Honda Civic Type R, and this casting is by Matchbox. It's new for 2026, and you might be wondering how 2026 came already. I don't know, but I was lucky enough to find these. Normally I don't find anything newer. So it's a newer casting. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Honda Civic Type R out of its box. And if you're wondering, well, it's a modern year release for 2026. It's not actually made in 2026. It's still made in 2025, as you can see. So it's new for next year. So they released it earlier. Let's talk about the casting now. The color, well, if you haven't seen this before, Honda did release this color with this generation of Civic. It was available in hatchback. I think it's available in sedan now. I'm not sure, but it was available in hatchback since it was launched. So Type R already obviously got it. I like the wheel combo. Matchbox did a great job of using black wheels rather than the chrome ones. It looks really nice here, especially with this color. And yeah, the color and wheel combo look really nice. Now let's go to the front. So in the front, you've got some great details. You've got detailed painted headlamps, grille, door grill, Honda badge, and vents on the side too, which looks really good. And if you have been living under a rock and you don't know what a Type R is, basically it's a performance-oriented model of Civic where they put a bigger engine in it, change a bunch of mechanicals in the car, and it's considered one of the best front wheel drive hatches around. Hot hatches. Yeah, so it's a performance oriented variant of a Civic. You also get both the mirrors and both the windshield wipers, which are good to have. Now, going back to the driver's side. So we already talked about the wheel, and it also got both it's a hatchback, so you do get 4 doors. So you got both the door handles, you got the fuel filler on the driver's side, and you might be picking in the red interior. And yes, Civic Type Rs come with red interior, red seats, red carpet. I'm not sure if it has red dash, but since Hot Wheels obviously can't do multiple colors, but yeah, they do red carpet and red seats. Normally Civics come with black. You also got this vent on the side and this slight air element or body kit. Like that. You get the typical big Type R wing in the back, which again looks good. So let's move to the back. In the back, you got good details again. You got tail lamp which is painted, and Type R tail lamp goes all the way this generation, like the bar from this to the side. You also got a number plate reading Type R, Honda badge, Civic badge, and Type R on the side. You got the triple exhaust, and yeah, Type R's for I think last few generation, since they've been hatchbacks, they got this triple exhaust. Also got painted stop lamps back. Looks good. You do get a shark engine on the top, and it's a hatchback. Look, I know it looks like a sedan, but it's more like a notchback, lift kind of thing. Now coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical. Only difference being the fuel filler cap. And this is how it looks from the top. You can see some interior features there. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, should you get this one? I think yes. Hot Wheels did a premium version of the Type R, and Matchbox did a mainline, and I think, well, comparing to Hot Wheels is the premium is more of a modified version, a spoon racing one. This is more close to the actual car, and I think it looks cool. I'm sure they will release more colors in coming months or coming days, weeks, I don't know. But this looks good, and I really like the color and feel combo, and it's good to have a Type R by Matchbox. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.